Welcome to another day with Clyde from PT3D, and I apologize for the noise today, but we are actively printing on 3 machines. I would be optimistic to say possibly 4 tonight, but I'm seriously not thinking that's going to be the case. So, today we are looking at the Renren Delta, so that's this one right here. Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see that. The camera angle is not the best in the world. So it's going to be noise, or it's going to be, well, you know. I'm going to try this. Let's see. All right, so close enough for now. Yeah, this is the Renren Delta. This is the one that I purchased several months ago from Alibaba, I believe. And yeah, so that's what we got. On a happy note, this is the print job I did today. This is the vase from Thingiverse. It's the one I did from. I squished it a little bit too much, and I might have cracked it. But anyway, it's a single perimeter run that I did in vase mode with using the current Cura, and it's pretty nice. It is definitely not watertight. It would be quite amusing to put water in this right now, but there you go. That's what that is. So it's a vase. It's a demonstration piece or something to not put anything in because I'm sure it'll probably fall apart. All right, so this thing. What are we to do with this? This is it's got like an auto level feature on that you put this on here like so, and then it has a magical calculation and it goes bump, 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 bump. So, I don't know. But I do have the information. I believe that I have sent that. So, let's see if it's on my card or not. It might be, and it might not be. It should be. I think I put it on there the other day. And if I didn't, then this is going to be a really short video. So I've got the Arduino support, it looks like. You're going to have to turn over here to see me. Not that you want to see me, but let me see where the camera's pointed. Alright, so let's try to get you here so you can see what I'm looking at. There's my monitor. I don't know if I can do this and have the camera pointed at me. What's that noise? I keep hearing ringing noise. Alright, so it's not me. Alright. So yeah, look, this is me streaming to you into infinity. Alright, so we've got, let's take a look and see what this is. This looks like the Marlin information. That's good. I think I'm going to have to install this first. And I think this is prompter face, I think. So you're doing this with me. I'm going to move you up a little too. There. Keep in mind, this is an old computer, so it's probably going to take a couple minutes. I suppose while I'm waiting for this to download, there's some R2D2 stuff. So that's another piece of the R2. We look over here. And this is the start of the Nintendo Switch controller. These are the buttons that go on it. I was concerned about the supports, but it looks like they're holding together. I mean, if you look real close, this one's not looking the best, but it seems like they're holding in. So yeah, that's going to be another, not too long. Probably another 45 minutes, maybe. Of course, over here, I'm doing another trophy, which you guys have already seen. So, all right, so we're going to go back over here. We're going to share space together because that's the best way to do things here. All right, so our software is all right. You're going to have to just live with me in an imperfect world. All right, so that's installing. Let's see what else we got. We also got to run this. Let's see what this does first. Oh my, this takes way too long. I could do the magic of photo editing, but then it wouldn't be a live stream, so it's kind of hard to do. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to move you back here because that is less than interesting to watch. I mean, you guys could sit there and watch that all day, I'm sure. All right. So anyway, welcome to my office. This is, I mean, you get to get the first-hand experience of this. And I'll figure out like a setup one of these days. Maybe I'll put like cameras up all over the place, so I can just like click a button and then they'll switch cameras, and then I'll be able to like, hey, how you doing? Or hey, how you doing? Until then, you're stuck right there or wherever I put you. Alright, so that is done. So we're going to install whatever this is. I think it's Concord base, but it doesn't say what, so. Oh, it's Notepad. I don't want Notepad. Oh, yes I do. Actually, that's right. This is a really cool Notepad program. I forgot about that. It's great for when you're doing editing your like Marlin stuff. And anyway, it's cool. Notepad++. And then I have to do print run, Win Slicer. I need to run that right. Run. This is Bronzer Face right here. This is what allows me to control this. Just remember, you can only use one device at a time. So if this is hooked up tomorrow and doing an update, you can't use it. Vice versa if it's running Bronzer Face, which right now it's not. So. All right, so number one, let's see if we can get some magic to occur on this. This is not the ideal setup, just so you know, because it doesn't have a switch on it. Normally I have it in a power strip that I can turn off. So when you're doing this, just understand that you could arc it. So try not to. I say that, but I don't think there's any way around it if it was going to. The ideal situation is an on-off switch. All right. So this is a new cable. Big. All right. It's all done. Let's see. What have I done? This thing is turned 180 out from the way it was when I got it. It used to actually be turned this way, and it fed down through here. I didn't like it, so I moved it and changed it, and just flipped the stepper around in the settings. I'm installing device driver software right now. Let's see what else we got in here. This does have Slick 3R, also known as Slicer, so it is included. There is a website that I can go to. I don't know what this is. That's a test file. I don't know what that is. Oi. Apparently it does not want to connect. Try 57.6. Yeah, well, nope. It did not work. $19,200. Alright, so this is not working. Come out of that and go back into it again. Oh, that's why. Got an update. Darn it. Well, let's see if the manual options work. Alright, so we can do prepare. And it should auto hold. Which is not doing. So I'm going with something is definitely a miss. Oh, let's get out of the way. Alright, so let's unplug. It's going to reset and we'll try to do it again. And I hate having to do things like this. This is less than fun or ideal. So I'm looking for the reset. I thought this one had an accessible one, but I am in error. I cannot get to it from here. So, alright. Well, that's real punch in the gonads. Alright. Let's see if it's discharged completely. Alright. Let's try this again. Huh. Well, that's definitely not good. What? Are you kidding? Alright, that's weird. Apparently when I plug it in, it works. When I unplug it, it does not. Plug it in. Unplug it. Huh. So, that's not good. Or that's odd, or strange, or weird. Unfortunately, when it's hooked like this, though, it's not going to be doing anything. Let's try it. Draw. Now we look at it. Let's go to prepare. And let's move axis. Move it 10 millimeters. No, only lets me have Y, so. Oh. Wasn't that just weird? I may have different problems. All right, now let's unplug it. All right, we're unplugged. And we're going to try and see if we can connect to it again. Unfortunately, too, if I'm not able to connect to it, then I can't do anything, which means that really there's nothing left for me to do. Except for research the problem. So, let's see about running Arduino. Open a sketch. On the computer. from a removable device. LX1. Marlin. Open. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get everything lined up on this because this is not gonna work. This is just gonna be a waste of time for you guys. So I'm gonna try and figure out what I need to do to get this going. I gotta look and see if I still got the manual. I believe it's on the line anyway, so I will look at that and see if I can figure it out. Any apologies that this didn't work out so well? I was kind of hoping that it would, but such is to be. So until the next time upon which we are meeting, I am Clyde with BT3D. I apologize that this didn't work, and I will talk to you guys. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. But until then, you guys have a great night. And like I said, I apologize that this didn't work out so well, but at least you got to see the printers going.